My name is Etubi Onuchayo. I'm a professional illustrator.
My name is Benga Ajetomobi. I'm a 3D generalist.
My name is OJ Kosin. I'm a 2D animator and a motion graphic artist.
I've been started off making comics, and then over time started making entertainment, making art for entertainment, and now I'm more of a concept person for animation, and also I'm a creative director at an ad agency.
My creative journey is such a long way. I started doing 3D animation like about 13 years ago. I've worked in like a couple of studios before we set up our own Limitless like 2 years ago. I've been doing 3D animation basically. I've worked on several ads for companies.
I started as a cartoonist illustrator for newspapers and publishing company. Then I branched out on my own.
Hopefully, I don't expect to say anything new. I don't expect to say anything new, but just because art is about repetition, I hope to drill in some old things that should be told again, because the main thing is always about practice. So that's what I hope that I remind people about some essentials.
I think having something like this is a great thing. It brings so many people together, especially people that are like up and coming. You know, just to have an idea of what's out there.
I think it's a good start in the right direction because most of us in the industry are self-taught and we don't really have resources of people we can pull from. So a workshop like this, where people can come and ask questions from people that have gone ahead of them.
Try as much as possible to enjoy your work. It's not easy, but try as much as possible to enjoy your work.
I want them to try as much as possible to learn what they can, you know, from people that have experiences and stuff. So I want them to actually be able to ask questions, you know, get as many details as possible that can help, you know, with their journey.
Well, we don't know everything. Come with an open mind, have your questions. We don't have all the answers, but what we know, we will give on to thee.